Hello, Americans. Welcome back to Fixing America. When I decided to do this vlog, I had an idea of an order of things I wanted to address. However, things keep popping up in the news that reinforce the principles that I was planning to address. So, to heck with the plan. Let's take on the bandwagon. The bandwagon is the lemming state of mind. Let's do what everyone else seems to be doing. Let's just accept things as facts, whether they are or not. Let's jump on the bandwagon, and maybe we can seem more important. On the news this week, I heard a story about two college males who were being sought for sexual assault because one of them ran by and whacked a female student's butt while the other recorded the deed on his phone. Is this assault? Technically, by legal definition, smacking someone on the butt, male or female, is assault. But is it sexual assault? Hardly. When did the gluteus maximus become a person's sexual organ? Are sports players guilty of sexual assault every time they slap another player on the butt? Sexual assault is a very bad thing, and it has very bad consequences. When you are convicted of sexual assault, you face many years in prison, and you are put on the sexual offender lists, which means you cannot go near schools or where children gather, you cannot live in certain areas, you cannot get a whole lot of different jobs, and you can even lose visitation rights to your own children. Do these college students deserve to be punished this harshly? Certainly what they did was wrong. It probably scared the female student and may even be considered simple assault. They should be punished for their prank so they learn that it's not okay to make other people, male or female, victims for laughs. But do they deserve to have their whole lives ruined because they thought like college students and didn't think about the consequences for their prey? It seems like people in general get more excited about a story called sexual assault than one called assault or prank. School and government officials can bring more attention and importance to what they do by calling an act a sexual assault, and they seem to relish in doing it often. The truth is that most states have graduated laws and charges. Not even every unwanted sexual contact is sexual assault. There is sexual contact, which means touching a sexual part without the permission of the offended. This is hardly ever charged by itself. It is usually tacked on to child molestation charges. With children, it's presumed by the courts that they don't have the experience or mental capacity to give permission. So we often hear about sexual contact with a minor as an additional charge for molesters. It allows judges to give more jail time to offenders they feel are most dangerous. Sexual assault is attempting to have sex, intercourse, oral sex, or masturbation against a person's will, or without their knowledge, as in the case of a drunk or drugged or otherwise unconscious person. If it is not forced, or if there is no attempt to have sex, then it is not sexual assault. I do not believe those students were attempting to have sex with the female. They just incorrectly thought that posting a video of one guy whacking her butt would be funny. I would be very upset if someone ran by my daughter on campus and whacked her anywhere on her body, even on the arm. But charge them with sexual assault? Never. Stupid decisions that do not cause long-term harm should not be punished with a lifetime of serious consequences. If a man trips and touches a woman's breast as he falls, that technically is sexual contact. The way people think these days, he should be charged with sexual assault and have his life completely ruined. Stop the sensationalism. Get off the bandwagon. Let's keep our definitions straight for assault, sexual contact, and sexual assault, so that the punishment fits the crime. God bless America.